Hello everyone, welcome back to our brand video. Today I'm going to show you how to increase your Snapchat scores on your Android phone and iPhone. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just open up Snapchat here and then here tap on profile icon, and here you can see my Snapchat scores are 80. So how to increase these? So first of all, go back and then tap here on below arrow icon, and then from here tap on multiple snap. Here it is. And then what you have to do is just take 10 snaps here by clicking here at the add button. So here the plus button. So 10 snaps has been taken. So tap here on OK, and then tap here on send to, and send these snaps to celebrities or your contacts. So search from here, or from here select them. So I'm selecting from here. So from here select as many as you can, and then tap here on send. So the snaps are being sent here. So after these has been sent, what you have to do is just again check your snap scores. So here is my Snapchat, and then here is my profile. So here you can see my Snapchat score is 140 now. So my Snapchat scores has been increased. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.